Definition of bond angle. What is definition of bond angle? Angle between two adjacent bonds in a molecule is called as bond angle. Let us consider AB2. A is central atom and B is surrounding atom. Angle between these two bonds, AB and AB bonds, is called as bond angle. Angle between two adjacent bonds in a molecule is called as bond angle. In the last class, I given different bond angles, but different hybridizations are present. Let us revise once. If sp hybridization is present, then bond angle is, what is the bond angle? 180 degrees. If sp2 hybridization is present, 120. If sp3, 109 degrees, 28 minutes. sp3d, 180 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees. Okay. sp3d2, 90 degrees. Okay. Let us see. Based on this, let us do some questions. Online students, am I audible? Online students. See, NEET level questions are very easy. Bond angle related questions are very easy. If you are able to identify hybridization, then you can decide bond angle. But one exceptional case you have to remember. What is that exceptional case? In the last class I given. Even though hybridization is sp3, two molecules do not contain 109 degrees 28 minutes bond angle. What are that? Other than remaining, you can use this one. Very good. NH3 and H2. NH3 and H2. In NH3, what is the bond angle? You have to by heart this data. 107 degrees. In H2O, 104.5 degrees or 104. You can take 104. Right? Okay. Let us do some questions based on this. Okay. Which of the following has highest bond angle? Which of the following has highest bond angle? This is important model question for NEET. Right. First of all, write hybridizations. You know how to find hybridization. What is hybridization of oxygen in water? What is hybridization of oxygen in water, girls? Tell me how to find hybridization. Valence dot method. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Here in BCl3, what is the hybridization? Online students, please tell me. In BCl3, what is the hybridization? sp2. In BeCl2, at least tell me BeCl2. Please respond, all of you. In BeCl2, sp hybridization. sp hybridization. In CH4, sp3. sp3. Okay. First of all, let us revise the data. If hybridization is sp3, then bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. If hybridization is sp, then 180. sp to 120. This is sp3, but exceptional case. Water and ammonia is exceptional case. Okay. What is the bond angle in water? You have to remember this data. 104.5 or simply 104, 105. Now, which is the greatest value? Highest bond angle is for BeCl2. This is a very simple question. Okay. Based on hybridization data, we will guess the bond angle. Okay. Now, let us go with some other different model. This is one model, another model. Can you tell me 50A group elements? Anybody? What are 50A group elements? What are 50A group elements? Online students. 50A group. I said to by heart 50A group list, right? What are 50A group elements? Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. Bismuth, right? Okay. Let us form hydrides of 50 group. Okay. NH3, PH3, ASH3, SBH3, and BiH3. Next model questions on the bond angle. You will get hydrides belongs to same group, same group, same group hydrides, right? Okay. Now, what is the bond angle order? Which is having highest bond angle? Which is having lowest bond angle? That is the question here. Okay. Right. Whenever you get the question like this, compounds belongs to same group, you have to remember one thing. Once observe in every molecule, each central atom same or different. Here, what is the central atom? What is the central atom? Nitrogen. Here, what is the central atom? Phosphorus. Central atom is same or different? Different. Central atom is different. First observe that point. Okay. When CA stands for central atom. When central atom is different, central atom is different, and the surrounding atoms are same. Surrounding atoms, surrounding atoms are same. Surrounding atoms are same. Then already we wrote one. Bond angle, bond angle is directly proportional to electronegativity of central atom. You have to observe the given hydrides. Okay. In all hydrides, whether central atom is same or different, you have to observe that. If central atom is different and the surrounding atoms are same, then remember this condition. Bond angle is directly proportional to central atom electronegativity. You know, in the periodic table, what happens when we move down the group? What happens to electronegativity? Electronegativity decreases. Which is more electronegative? Nitrogen is more electronegative. Clear? If electronegativity is more, then bond angle is more. So, which is having greater bond angle? NH3 is having greater bond angle. So, bond angle order NH3, PH3, ASH3, and BH. Okay, note down. I'll take the attendance. Note. Only 8 students due to IPE fever. Ritika, Shravya, Shreta, Akshara, Misbah. IPE fever, correct? Right. Next, another note. See, in these hydrides, central atom is different. If central atom is same, then next, try to another note. Once look at this. In this case, in this case, central atom is same and surrounding atoms are different, right? Okay. In this, how to compare the bond angle? Look at under notes. Let us write one statement. If surrounding atom is different, if surrounding atom is different, then the bond angle is directly proportional to size of surrounding atom. Okay. So you tell me. Which is having more bond angle? Online students. Ni3 is having more bond angle, right? Because the size of surrounding atom, whose surrounding atom size is more? Iodine, right? So bond angle order, Ni3 is greater than NBr3 is greater than NCl3 is greater than NF3. Okay. Akshara, did you revise bond parameter concepts and hybridization? Shravya, Misbah, did you revise chemical bonding? Misbah. Let us do questions, right? PYQs. Not near the JEE means PYQs I am giving try. Okay. An ionic compound depends upon what? Once you see the notes, lattice. Yes, tell me. Size, see, size of the ion, radius of the cation or anion. I given lattice energy is inversely proportional to radius of cation and anion. Yes or no? Online students. Lattice energy is inversely proportional to Rc plus Ra. I given already. Next, third question. Which of the following pair of molecules contain odd electron molecule and an expanded octet molecule? Odd electron molecule and expanded. Odd electron, count electrons. In BCl3, how many electrons are present? We have to count valence electrons of boron and chlorine. Boron belongs to which group? How to find odd electron, even electron? Boron belongs to which group? Boron belongs to which group? I said to learn the group, right? Boron belongs to which group? Third, 3 electrons. And chlorine belongs to seventh A group. So 7 in 1 chlorine. Total how many chlorines you have? 3. 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus boron 3. 24. Even or odd? Even. Cancel. Don't go for that option. How to count electrons, odd or even? Very simple. Just remember group number, group number. Group number is nothing but number of valence electrons. You have bad number of valence electrons. If you get even number, that is even. Odd number, that is odd. Okay. Right. Coming to NO. NO. Nitrogen belongs to which group? Nitrogen belongs to which group? I given working also for you. One day I given some questions also. Nitrogen belongs to which group? Nitrogen belongs to which group? Fifth A. Fifth A. So 5. In nitrogen 5. Oxygen belongs to which group? Oxygen belongs to which group? Sixth. 6. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. 11. Even or odd? Odd. Yes. Odd. Odd. So NO is having odd number of electrons. So coming to H2SO4. In H2SO4, around sulfur, how many electrons are present? We have to decide. Let us draw the structure. See, sulfur structure. Sulfur. This is H2SO4. Around sulfur, how many electrons are present? In this circle, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means expanded after. This is all I already said J means question, na? So some difficult level question. Just listen and leave it. Okay, you should remember sulfuric acid structure. So what is the answer? Odd number and expanded after. Second one. Second one is the answer. Next. Fourth question. Number of electron deficient molecules among the following. You can do this. Number of electron deficient molecules among the following. Can you read molecules? Anybody? Can you read? What is the first molecule? Can you able to read? That's why I'm asking. First one is PH3. Second one is B2H6. Third one CCl4. Next NH3. Next LiH and PCl3. Electron deficient molecule among the following. What about PH3? Is it electron deficient or not? PH3. How to find number of electrons around central atom? I've given already. We completed this topic. Let us find number of electrons around phosphorus. Phosphorus belongs to which group? Which group? Phosphorus belongs to which group, girls? Fifth group. So do one thing. Write phosphorus and keep 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, see, this is very, very important model question. Finding electron deficient molecule or in which of the following octet is not present, which of the following is having incomplete octet, that type of question. Okay. Phosphorus surrounded by 5 dots. 5 dots. And hydrogen belongs to first A group. So hydrogen 1 dot. Hydrogen 1 dot. Hydrogen 1 dot. So what we have to do? First we have to write the element followed by valence electron. Element followed by valence electron, element followed by valence, like that. After that, write single bond between central atom and surrounding atom. Single bond between central atom and surrounding atom. Between central atom and surrounding atom. Right? After that, what we have to do? Draw the circle including bonds. Draw the circle including bonds. In that circle, you have to count how many electrons are present. In that circle, how many electrons are present? How many electrons are present in that circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octet is present. That's why I said to learn group list. You can understand now. Clear? What is the importance of group list? If you don't know the element belongs to which group, then you cannot answer. Most of the questions in the chemical bonding depends on the group list only. Okay, you should say the group of the elements randomly if I ask you. Okay. This is the procedure. How to check whether one molecule is having octet or not? First, write the element followed by valence electrons, central atom followed by valence electrons, and surrounding atoms followed by valence electrons. Draw single bond between central atom and surrounding atom, and draw the circle including that bond, and count number of electrons in that bond in that circle. If circle is having 8 electrons, octet. Less than 8, incomplete octet. Greater than 8, expanded octet. Right. Coming to B2H6. B2H6. B2H6 is a different molecule. Different molecule. Remember, it is electron deficient molecule. Okay. Diborane. Diborane, electron deficient. Remember. Next. CCl4. Can you say CCl4? B2H6 you have to remember. Diborane is electron deficient molecule. CCl4. Can you draw like this and check? Same. CCl4. CCl4. What is central atom? What is central atom, girls? Carbon. Carbon is the central atom. So carbon followed by 4 dots. Why? Because carbon belongs to fourth group. Next, halogens. Surrounding atoms are halogens. How many halogens we have? 4 halogens we have. Halogen, 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 and here halogen. Halogen belongs to which group? Halogen belongs to which group? Which group? Halogens. Seventh A group. So 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Around each chlorine keep 7 dots. 7 dots. Okay. After writing central atom followed by valence electrons, surrounding atoms followed by valence electrons, write one bond between central atom and surrounding atom. Okay. After that, what we have to do? Draw the circle including the bonds. Okay. In this circle, how many electrons are present? 8 electrons are present. So CCl4 is having octet. Very, very. We completed one important model question of NEET. Okay. This is JEE mains now. So some molecules are difficult. Just ignore them and let us to remain. Okay. So CCl4 also having octet. Next NH3. NH3. Online students, can you tell me NH? What about nature of NH3? Is it having octet? How it is having octet? How? Nitrogen belongs to which group? Nitrogen belongs to fifth. Fifth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Around nitrogen, we have 3 hydrogens. 3 hydrogens. Hydrogen followed by dot. Hydrogen followed by dot. hydrogen followed by dot. After that, write one single bond between central atom and the surrounding atom, and draw the circle between central atom and the surrounding atom. Draw the circle, sorry, including all the bonds. Draw the circle including all the bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons are present. So ammonia also having octet. So now how many molecules are having octet? PH3? Yes. PH3 is having octet. CCl4 also having octet. And NH3 also having octet. PCl3 do not contain octet. Lithium hydride do not contain. B2H6 do not contain octet. So what is the answer? 1, 2, 3. 3. So, but we completed one important model question, finding octet. Okay. Next question. PCl5 is well known, but MCl5 is not, because actually this is P black element question, second year inorganic question. PCl5. Phosphorus belongs to third A group. Nitrogen belongs to second A group. In second A group, sorry, second period, not group, I am sorry. In second period elements, d orbital is not present. In third period elements, p orbital is present. You know. First, second, third. This is 1s, 1s, 2s, 2p, 2s, 2p. Third one, 3s, 3p, 3d. Third period. D orbital start from third period onwards. Okay. Phosphorus and nitrogen, which belongs to third period. Phosphorus and nitrogen, which belongs to third period. Phosphorus belongs to third period. So phosphorus is having vacant d orbital. It can expand its valency. PCl3 is possible and PCl5 also possible, because it can expand its valency due to presence of vacant d orbital. That extra d orbitals accommodate electrons. Clear? In case of nitrogen, yeah. In case of MCl5, nitrogen do not contain vacant d orbitals. So nitrogen do not form MCl5. Nitrogen can form only MCl3 due to absence of vacant d orbital. Nitrogen cannot expand its valency. Important question. Next. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Read and tell me. Online students. NH3 and NF3 molecule have pyramidal shape with a lone pair electrons on nitrogen atom. The resultant dipole moment of NH3 is greater than that of NF3. Reason: in NH3, orbital dipole due to pair is in the same direction as the resultant dipole moment of NH bond. Fluorine is the most electronegative element. NH3 and NF3, which is having more dipole moment? Tell me first. NH3 and NF3. I explained this question, this example. which is having more dipole moment? Online student. NH3 or NF3? NH3, because both orbital moment and bond moments are in the same direction. See, nitrogen, orbital moment is in the upward direction and bonds are also moving in the upward direction. Okay, all are in the same direction, so dipole moment is more. But in case of NF3, orbital moment is in the upward direction, but nitrogen fluorine bond, fluorine is more electronegative atom, so nitrogen fluorine bond acts in the downward direction, both are opposite, so dipole moment will be cancelled, so NF3 is having less dipole moment, right? Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of E. Okay, online students. Oh, why? Online students, what is the answer? Which of the following molecules have maximum dipole moment? First of all, tell me which is having zero dipole moment. Which is having zero dipole moment? Can you say which is having zero dipole moment? CH4, 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 and another one also. CH4 is having tetrahedral structure, so zero dipole moment. Zero dipole moment. Okay. Next, PF5. Hmm. CH4 is having zero dipole moment, and PF5 also having zero dipole moment. Right? Very very important. Why PF5 is having zero dipole moment? Online students. Why PF5 is having zero dipole moment? PF5. See, PF5, PCl5. What is the geometry structure of PCl5, PF5? Trigonal, bipyramidal. Trigonal, bipyramidal. Let us draw the structure for PF5. See, phosphorus is in the middle. All these are present in the plane, trigonal plane. Okay, dipole moment in this structure is zero, right? Because phosphorus is in the middle, three fluorines are acting in the opposite direction, so net dipole moment is zero, and more two fluorines are there. One fluorine is in the above direction, one is in the below direction. So this is plane, trigonal plane. Three fluorines and one phosphorus on the plane, and two fluorines in the opposite. Here opposite moment. So dipole moment is zero. In the trigonal plane also dipole moment is zero. So PCl5 is having zero dipole moment. So it is polar or non-polar? Tell me if dipole moment is zero, non-polar, non-polar. Zero, zero. Both are having zero, zero. Zero dipole moment. Mu is equal to zero. Here also mu is equal to zero. So we have two options. NH3 and NF3 we know already. NH3 is having more dipole moment because orbital moment and bond moment are in the same direction. So this is the answer. Answer. Okay. Next question. Next, do eighth one. Steam volatile. Steam volatile means having less boiling point. Less boiling point. Orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol which is having less boiling point. I explained under consequences. I explained under consequences. Orthonitrophenol is having which type of hydrogen bonding? No, no, no. Inter or intra? Intra. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular. If intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present, boiling point is less. If boiling point is less, volatility is more. Steam volatile. Steam volatile means if you pass steam into it, it undergo evaporation because boiling point is less now. Due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, boiling point is less. If boiling point is less, if you pass steam into that, it undergo evaporation. Clear? So, which compounds are steam volatile? Those which are having less boiling point are those which are having intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Now, what is the answer? Steam volatile compound means intramolecular, which is having intramolecular. A. Orthonitrophenol. A is orthonitrophenol. Please correct answer. Right. Next, ninth one. The correct statements about hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding exists. See, this is the difference between JEE mains and NEET. In NEET, you will get easy questions. In JEE mains, theoretical questions, concept related questions. The correct statements about hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding exists when hydrogen is covalently bonded to the highly electronegative atom. Correct or wrong? I given conditions. What is the condition for hydrogen bonding? For hydrogen bonding, more electronegative atoms should be present, hydrogen should be present, and that hydrogen should be present on another more electronegative atom which should having covalent bond with it. I given once, you can check the notes. Okay. First condition is correct. Actually, options are missing here. More than one correct actually. Below that you have to get A comma B comma C like A and B like that. So first one is correct. The second one, what about second one? Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present in orthonitrophenol. Intra. See, attending question paper discussion is very, very important. It will increase your memory. It is equal to 10 times reading, you know. If you participate in the discussion, paper discussion, it is equal to 10 times preparation. Remember that. See, this is the revising, right? Second time it is key. Next, intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present in HF. In HF, in water, HF, ammonia, intermolecular. Because if we take HF liquid, HF liquid in the beaker, this is one HF molecule, this is one HF molecule. Between two, inter. This is also wrong statement. What about the magnitude of hydrogen bonding depends upon the physical state of the compound. Who will tell this? Who listened to the class? Tell me what example I given to you. Sorry. Okay. Now can you tell me? Oh, options are given here. Okay. Options are given. First one, tell me A is correct or wrong? A is correct or wrong? Correct. B is wrong. C is D. D. The magnitude of hydrogen bond depends upon the physical state of the compound. Tell me who will give the answer. I explained this by taking which example? Water example. Water is solid, ice. Yes, depends on the physical state. Correct. In solid state, strength of hydrogen bonding is more. Okay. The magnitude of hydrogen bonding depends on the physical state of the compound. Okay. Right. Next. Hydrogen bonding has powerful effect on the structure and properties of the compound. Absolutely correct. Why? See, because of hydrogen bonding only, like orthonitrophenol is having less boiling point, para-nitrophenol due to intermolecular having more boiling point. Boiling point means physical property only, na? Physical property is affecting or not? Absolutely correct. Because of hydrogen bonding, some compounds boiling point is more than expected. Clear. Actually, water and the H2S, which is having more molecular weight. Water and H2S, H2O and H2S, which is having more molecular weight, H2S. Actually, boiling point is directly proportional to molecular weight. Once look at this, all of you, H2S and having more molecular weight 1 and molecular weight 2, which is greater, MW1 is greater than MW2. Okay, and in generally boiling point is directly proportional to molecular weight. If molecular weight is more, then boiling point is more. According to this relation, which is having more boiling point, you tell me, H2 or H2S. According to this relation, just just take this only, which should have more boiling point, H2S, because boiling point is directly proportional to molecular weight. But H2O is having more boiling point because of hydrogen bonding. Because of hydrogen bonding, physical properties affecting, physical properties nothing but boiling point, melting point, density, all this. This is also correct. Which is correct? E. So answer is ADE. Second option. ADE. Okay. Next question. Select the compound from the following that will show intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular. A. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present in ortho disubstituted compounds when they satisfy condition for hydrogen bonding. Okay. Intramolecular means you have to search for ortho disubstituted compounds. Clear? So A is the answer. Next. Orthonitrophenol is less soluble in water than para and metanitrophenol. See, in JEE mains also, how many times questions are repeating on the hydrogen bonding and especially intermolecular. So we should focus. See, NTA is preparing the paper now. So JEE mains and NEET both are similar to each other, but depth is different. But area is same. For example, in JEE means from which area we are getting the question, so probability is there to get same area in the NEET also. So finally, what I am saying, hydrogen bonding is important. Second is online students. You online students. B. B is the answer. Okay. Orthonitrophenol shows intramolecular hydrogen bond. Next. 12th question. You see 12th one. Which of the following hydrogen bonding is strongest? Strength of hydrogen bonding depends on what? Strength of hydrogen bonding depends on what? Electron, electronegativity. Electronegativity. C is the answer. C is the answer. This is a neat question also. In weekend also you will get the question. These type of questions. Granted. Hmm. Recently, we discussed bond order of polyatomic ions. But actually, here some additional information also given to you. Okay. First structure. It is possible to identify the each structure individually by some physical or chemical methods. It is not possible to analyze the resonating structure because that are hypothetical structures. The resonating structures are hypothetical structures. Okay. So first one is wrong. Next one. All these are all these structures are in dynamic equilibrium with each other. That is also not correct. CO3 minus 2 has a single structure, that is resonance hybrid of the above three structures, that is only correct. This structure exists for equal amount of time, that is also wrong. Dynamic equilibrium means both all should be in the movement. In the chemical equilibrium, this term came dynamic equilibrium. Means reactant will convert to product, product will convert to reactant, but there is no change in the concentration according to chemical equilibrium. Dynamic means moment will be present. Okay. Number of molecules from the following which can exhibit hydrogen bonding. Nearest integer. I'll give the structure. Tell me. CH3OH, H2O, C2H6, C6H6 benzene, and orthonitrophenol. This is orthonitrophenol and HF, which is having hydrogen bonding. CH3OH, yes. H2O, yes. Ethane do not contain because there is no more electronegative atom. Benzene also do not. Benzene also do not. HF, yes. And NH3 also, yes. And what about orthonitrophenol? Yes. Orthonitrophenol, we know already about orthonitrophenol. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. Five. Integer type questions will come in the JEE means actually, but for NEET we do not have that type. But that is best question for us, practice. Okay. Next, among the following fluoro compound having the lowest dipole moment. See, cis trans examples I given. Cis and trans, which is having zero dipole moment. Cis and trans, which is having zero dipole moment. Trans is having zero dipole moment. See, where is trans compound? This is trans compound. So this is having zero dipole moment. Zero dipole moment because trans compound. Next, 16th one. Which of the following pairs of molecules will have permanent dipole moments for both members? Permanent dipole moment. Permanent dipole moment means they should have some value. Dipole moment should not cancelled. Cancelled. First of all, see, if this is already I said JEE means are some tough questions, tough level questions, but first JEE means how we will explain this question. In the each pair, observe if anyone is having zero dipole moment, don't select it. Here we have this pair, this pair, this pair, this pair, right? In each pair, if anyone is having zero dipole moment, then that is not the answer. Very simple logic. First of all, coming to SiO4. SiO4 is having zero dipole moment or not? SiO4. Tetraatom like CH4, CCl4, SiO4 having zero dipole moment. So this is not the answer. C also, SiO4 not. Here in A, CO2. What about CO2? CO2 is having zero dipole moment or not? One see the class. CO2. C zero dipole moment. This side and this side zero dipole. So answer will be second. It is having